Hello students, in this video we will discuss about granularity in DBMS. Okay, so what is granularity? It is the size of data item allowed to lock. Okay, size of data item. Okay, size of data item means whether it is we want to lock a database, or we want to lock a table, or we want to lock a record, or we want to lock an attribute. That is called size of data item. So what is this granularity? Granularity means the level at which we are locking, that means it is allowed to lock and data item. That is based on the size. Size means whether it is a database, a table, record, or an attribute. That is called size of data item. That is called granularity. Okay. So here the size of item we will say like this. The size, what this granularity means? It is the size of data item allowed to lock. Which data item is allowed to lock? Size of data item is allowed to lock means whether we want to lock database, table, record, or attribute. That is, we want to lock only attribute, or we want to lock only record. That is called data item. So what data item we are locking is called granularity. Okay, the size of data item may be a database where we can have tables, okay, and where we can have, in tables we can have records, okay, and records we can have attributes. Attributes, data items are fields. Okay, so whether we are locking our database, or some tables in the database, or few records in the database, or attributes in a record, that is to be decided. That is called granularity. So a database is basically represents collection of named items. Okay, so collection of data items. So the size of data item is chosen based on the unit of protection by a concurrency control program is called granularity. That means based on up to which extent, which unit, which part we want to give the protection when we are performing concurrency control. That is called granularity. So this locking can take place at different levels. Okay, that is, it may be taken place at the database level, or at the table level, or at the page level. Okay, we can store these tables in the pages also. Okay, or at the record level or row level we can say, or we can say them as tuples also we can say. At which level we want to log this data item, that is granularity level. Okay, so what is database locking? Okay, database locking means the entire database is locked. Okay, entire database is locked. Thus, what will happen? It prevents the use of any tables in the database by one transaction. That means it doesn't allow, if we lock a database completely, if we have two transactions T1 and T2, T1 locks this database, then T2 is not allowed to access any of the data item in this database. Okay, so this is called database level locking. Table level locking means if we make a lock at the table of a particular table, that table is not accessed by other transaction. Okay, if a transaction requires several tables, each table may be locked. Okay, two transactions can access the same database, but they may access the different tables. If we have two tables, two transactions T1 and T2, in database we have two tables, table 1, table 2. If transaction T1 can lock table 1, T2 can lock table 2. This is happened at the table level. Okay, page level. Page means the data, the database, the data which we are storing on the secondary storage devices. In order to make easy retrieving, we will store them in the form of pages. That is, we can access them easily. That is page. So, if we log that particular page, only that page can be accessed by that particular transaction. So, a page, what is this page? A page is some fixed disk which will store some records or some data. Okay. So, a table, for a single table, we can create any number of pages which contain many rows, many number of rows. So, at the page level locking, if we lock a page, the data of a table, if you have 100 records, that 100 records is stored in some pages. Each page contains some 20 records. So when we lock that page, remaining records pages can be accessed by the other users. That is page level. Row level means at each row of a table, we will make a lock. Okay. So different locks may be given for the different rows of the same table at the same time. This is row level locking. Attributes means for a particular attribute or field, we can make a lock. So that the lock for the attribute, the lock which is given by the transaction only access that attribute. Remaining doesn't have access on that attribute. This is called granularity level. Okay, granularity means the level at which we are giving locking to the size of the data item, whether complete database, table, records, pages or attributes. Okay, this is called granularity. Okay.